Okay, Scarlet. Go ahead and climb on here. Alrighty, go ahead and lay down. Put your face down here, okay? There you go, good. Okay. So you got a short leg a little bit here on Scarlet. She's 2 years old. She's been getting adjusted since she was first born, since the day she was born. Scarlet, keep your head down there. Good, okay. Let's give you just a little push here. Scoot down here. There you go, good. Okay. Go ahead and keep your head down there. One more. Good. Okay, Scarlet, lay on your side this way. Towards Daddy. Good. Here we go. Alrighty. Nice. Good job. Okay, come over this way. Come over this way. Over this way. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, one more here. Ooh, that was a good one. Good. Okay. Let's see if you're all lined up, okay? You see the fishies over there? Okay. Okay, let's check out your head, okay? See how your necky's doing. Okay, lay down. Lay down. Do your neck and then you get cookie, okay? Okay, put your hands here. Look over at the fishies. Feed the fishies, relax. Good job. Look over at Mama. Go over that way. Good. All done.